Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this League of Legends basic attack effect in UE5 Niagara, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and comment, and let's start this tutorial.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So I have this folder lol League of Legend attack 01 and I have an animation, and let me show you the reference I found again on CGHOW. I'll put the link in description, and it has lots of effects, cool effects. League of Legends have really good effects, and I'll create this first one. If I open this image here, I don't have this type of animation, but I'll find some animation if I have same. So if I right click again and I have this add-on extension of Chrome GIF scrubber, and this is really cool. So now I can close my tabs, and here I can check this per frame how it's going. Okay, so you can see first it has a flash on hand, then there's a trail with hand, a dark trail, a bright trail, and again where it's hitting is a flash. Okay, and he's repeating this thing. So I found this animation on mixammer.com, this, and this is the name of animation if you want, standing melee attack. And see, there should be a sword in his hand, but I found this, and I think this can work. So what I'll do, I'll just make a composite of this. Okay, League of Legends attack anim comp. So here first, if I select this, let me just fit it here. If I select it, I can make it faster. So this is fast. And then if I stop this, I can drag animation from here again. So first it's fast, then second time it is slower, normal speed. So I can make it minus 1.5. So it will reverse the animation. So now you see he is attacking from this side, then he will attack from this side. Okay, so I think this will work. I can just put a trail in his hand, in one hand. In reference, it has trail in both hand, but you can do that, just link with the other hand. So I'll use it. Save this, and I'll drag this here in the viewport on the 0 axis, 0 translate. Okay, and lights, point 1, I think. And then I'll duplicate this light with Alt, and I turn off the shadow, and then I'll increase the intensity. Again duplicate with Alt. Okay, you can even do more lighting if you want. Like rim light if you want. So that's it. That's enough, I think. And on this in this mannequin character, I'll apply a body material. There should be a mannequin body, this one, and same I'll apply here. Okay, it's not matching it, but let it be. So we have now this thing, and okay, cool. Save this. Okay, I didn't save this map yet, so I have saved this map here now. Save all. Okay, so now FX. First we need a flash, and the same flash we can use here also, but slightly brighter than this. And then we need trail. So let's add trail first, then we can add this flash. So it has trail. Okay. So for trail we need a material M trail 01. And here I will create a FX. NS trail 01. Okay. So it has this fountain trail 01, and we don't need this. Spawn rate, let's make it 100 for now. And in render, I take ribbon, and instead of initialize particle, we need initialize ribbon. Where is initialize ribbon? Oh, I cannot see that. Did I delete that? Initialize particle is showing, but not ribbon. Let me just pause this video for a second. Oh, I remember. I'm using UE5. They have changed a lot of things. So they have now just initialized particle, and here we have ribbons also. Okay. And we have mesh, we have sprite, we have points. So there it is. So I'll show you all. And here it's ribbon size. Let's make it 10 for now. And the life, let's make it 1. And it doesn't have any velocity, so you cannot see that, but I'll open my animation, this thing, this composite, and also this background is black, so we need to make that preview. I don't need floor. Okay, so now right click and add the notifier, time Niagara effect, then from where to where. So trail should be from start to end. So I will just use it from start to end, and then we will select this and select this here, then pick that effect here, and then we need to add it with the bone. So if I type thumb, it will show you left hand thumb, right hand thumb. I guess that is right hand, so right hand thumb. And now you can see that trail. Okay, so now we can work on it. First, this trail should be like 0.4 and the size maybe 20. And I will make this instead of planar. I'll try the tube. Let's see how it will look. Yeah, I can even make it like 30. Yeah. So why I use this tube, I want to use that for this black part. Although this is not a tube, but I'm not copying this effect as same. I'm just taking the idea. I will just do what comes in my mind. So I'm trying, maybe I'll revert it to planar, not tube. So initially I'm using tube and now I'll make a material. So because I'm using tube, I'll use a cylinder here to preview my material, and T over our texture. And then this seems to be like yeah, that. And this is scaling down, so I will do that in particles. So here in particle you can take a ribbon width and then take the curve and just use this one, so it will just scale it down. Not visible. Compile. Still not visible. What happened? Turn this off and now check if it's visible. No, it's not visible at all. Now it's visible. Compile. Yeah, it's visible. Okay, so now back to material. Okay, so panel here and connect it here directly. Okay, and also I'll take the particle color, but because it is black, I can make it black here, but I'm taking particle color. So this will come here, this will be translucent, this will unlit, two-sided. And this is very faded, so I'll use one thing, that is I'll actually use a power and a multiplier. Multiplier you can multiply in opacity, so just a power. And one more thing, pan it. Direction we will check later in particle, and then dynamic parameter, solid power. Save this. We didn't apply that, so browse this material and here use that. So need to make it black, and this will, maybe I'll make it 10, and then dynamic parameter. Let's make it 2 for now. Save this. Yeah, it is something. One thing I'll do in the scale, I'll make it even more here. Not too, it's too much. Maybe that's it. Okay, so now we have the black. We can tweak that later. Then it has also a thin layer that is uh, pink, sorry, yellowish. So I can just duplicate this and I don't have to do nothing much. Just decrease this 30 to maybe 5 and make it like 50. Save this. See, we have now a good trail. Cool. Even I can increase this to 60 maybe. And in viewport, I'll save all, play. We have that trail. See? And that black is longer than yellow. So just make the yellow maybe 0.3. That's it. Now we need a flash. So I'll make another Niagara system. And this will be NS flash 01, because maybe I'll duplicate that and make it 2, because here this one is not very impactful, it is faded, and then this is, so we will duplicate that same, then add some more element, or we can add it. So first this one, so it has a glow, it has these spikes, it has center core, and that center core is coming with hand. So that center core actually will be in the same ribbon element. Okay, so I'll open the trail again. I'll copy this, copy and paste core, and instead of this ribbon we need a sprite renderer, and let me search texture flash. Mm, I think this will work. So let me check the reference. It has lots of materials. So I'll use Control B. This one, I'll show you. This is very basic. It has depth fade, but I don't require depth fade much. So I'll duplicate this. Or yeah, I'll duplicate this. Flash 2. And in this one, just make it like maybe 2. Save this. And this should also be additive. Let me check. I should have checked before saving, but let it be. Yeah, this is additive already. So select this in your trail element core, pick that material here, and we don't need dynamic parameter, we don't need this, and also unset your ribbon, and here you need this size random, maybe 50 and 20, I don't know how much, and I'll make it 2, and also random rotation and spawn rate maybe 5. Let's see how it looks. Not visible. And one more thing, this will be our local, and then I'll increase size maybe 180. Yeah, now we can see that. Let me just make the environment little black darker so we can see that properly. Yeah, we have flash now, but it is very big, so, and very bright, so I'll make it 1 or maybe 0.8, and then no, I'll let it make 1 and 70 and 50 maybe. Yeah, okay, that's okay. But thing is, this is linking with thumb and there's a gap. So what I'll do, I'll open the skeleton of this, and we use the right hand thumb. So oh, what happening? Yeah. Instead of thumb, I think we should use this middle finger too. So I'll copy the name of this finger, copy, back to the animation, and select this trail and paste that name here. Pick. Okay. Save. Yeah, now it's fine. And this also should start and end this flash. So the duration of this is 4.22. You can see here 4.22. So here what I'll do, I'll take this uh, infinite 4.22, and then this is, I'm using 5, so I'll use, actually you don't need to use this. I can use this burst particle, maybe 5 or 10, 6, and then I'll use life 4.22, and then here I'll use this size sprite, use this one, and at point 1 it becomes 1, then at point 9 it is 1, and there's scale in scale out now. So here scale in, and they should also be like here. So it is starting, then here it should fade down. So after 1.5, and then it should start again at here. So we will do that, we will have to do that again. Okay, I don't know timing, I'm just doing it randomly. So start, then finish, then again start. Yeah, time almost matches, but yeah, it can work. One last thing, I'll make it 0.95. Okay, it was scaling down very quickly. So next element, flash. Okay, so I'll turn off this thing now, and now I don't need this. I'll don't need this, not this. So flash. In flash, if you'll see this one, it has this ring and this glow, two elements. This ring is scaling down and glow is scaling up. Okay, so we need, I'll open this trail and I'll copy this core and I'll paste this here. Okay, and this is ring, and we need that ring, so I'll again search the texture ring, and that texture almost look like this. This green one or this pink one, I can use anyone. Check the material is not using anywhere, but it exists in my project. So I'll create a material for that. So M ring 01, and I'll use this texture, and both texture look same, both channels, but I will use the pink one, I think. Yeah. So particle color, and that pink one is in red channel. So if you'll see here, it is in red, green, and also blue. So these, because this is magenta, so blue and red both channel is there. But I can just take the red. Okay, save this. Browse this, and in the flash we have this ring. I'll change the material. let it compile, and this will, I will reset this, it will scale down, so I will use this curve here, and then just need two particles maybe, and size will be not random, uniform, maybe 150, I don't know, it's not visible, it should visible. Why it's not visible? Save. Let's make it brighter, maybe. Just testing something. I found the solution. Actually, in material, accidentally used this blue channel. I need to use this. Yeah. Okay. Save this. Now we can delete this. We can make this one, one. Okay. And just two particles. Alpha maybe one. So it will spawn big, then it will scale down. Okay, I'll make it, it is local already. So in here, what we need in starting, there should be a flash. So right click, insert notifier, right click and play Niagara particle effect. And I need it here in starting. And I'll copy the same bond name from this right middle copy and paste it here, and then this effect I'll use it here. So if I play, see, but it's taking too much time and it is very big. So first it will be just once, and then life will be like zero point 0.2 and the size will be like 50. That's, yeah, but now it is very slow, zero point 0.4 and maybe 70. Yeah, but what I'll do, because this is two particles, I'll make it three, and then I'll make the life little random, zero point 0.3, zero point 0.5. You can see the difference. Yeah, and then there should be a glow that increasing the size. So just copy this, paste this, and make it glow, and invert this, and then here radial. Yeah, and size will be bigger, maybe 200, and check, and this should be like yellowish and faded, zero point 0.2, and it's too much big, 120 I think. So I can add this effect many times, like here, and then second time is start here, here, here. So I can just copy and paste, Control C and V. So it will play two times. here, and then again. Okay, and this one I think 80 will work. And glow is very fast and then become black. So what I'll do, I'll make the life of glow 0.3.2. Then I'll copy this, copy and paste. And in this one, I don't need this, and I'll make it black. See how it looks? Black doesn't visible. Now it's visible. There should be a delay, 0.1, 0.2, I think. So, and now this will be like 1. Yeah. And also 130 size. Yeah. So here, cool. So now we need to make just that flash. I'll just duplicate this flash. Control W not working. I don't know why. Copy and paste, Control C and B. So this is flash 2. First, I'll just place this one where I want it. So where this guy is hitting here. So in this, I'll copy this. Here is hitting here. I will place it here. So, and I just link it with the bone. So I'll copy this, copy and paste. And in this one, I'll use this flash 2 in this one. Okay. So it should be very fast here. See, because it should not go with the bone. Or you can do one thing. Don't make it attached. So it is now on 0, and you can just manually do that. So you can offset it like 100. Okay, and now you can check it from the top angle. It should be here on the Y. So 100. Yeah, almost there. Slightly down. So 120. Perfect. Okay, so just need to make the animation fast and all things. So how this flash is going? So a flash with these, and so first we need to make this flash this. So what I'll do, I'll open, not open, I'll just we have this ring. So first I'll isolate this glow, and we need to make it fast and bigger and brighter. So I'll make it 0.5 and 150 and live 0.2, 0.1. Okay, and then move this here. I'll copy this here, paste, and then from the trail we had this core, so I'll use this material. So browse this, and now here I will use that. So we have this glow, and then we have duplicate of this glow with different material. Okay, and I'll make the size, and if you'll see both together, it will look like this. Make it 1, Okay, so it has these things, and also that ring is scaling with black ring, and it has delay. So this ring should scale with a delay 0.2, and it should be scale like 120. So if you see flash and it's scaling, but delay I think too much, so maybe 0.1. And also I'll take the scale color curve. Yeah, and life I'll not make much random, and let's move it this thing here so we can check it again and again, even here. Yeah, and maybe 200. And we need also black ring that should be little bigger than yellow. So I'll copy this ring, copy, and let's paste it here, a little bigger, so 220, and make it black. 250. This material I think is additive. Yeah, that's why it's not becoming black. So I can just duplicate this ring and make it translucent. You can make also instance material, then you can change the blend mode also. So I'll browse this, and here I will use that. So now it is black, so I can make it 1 again, 2, 3. Yeah, cool. What we need now, a bright core. So what I'll do, I'll in this layer we have this flash, so I will duplicate this, copy, and again paste. This time make it smaller, maybe 50, and make it in front of other emitter, and then make it very bright yellow. See, we have now a bright core, and let's see how it looks. Save. And this is not playing second time, so once he is hitting here, then again he hits here. So copy and paste, Control C and V, hitting, hitting. But there is some issue, the delay of these rings. So 0.02, I think 0.02, and this is too much big, so I'll make it 160, and this will be 180. And also this impact, this will be like 180. And also I have this black glow that I'll make very bigger, and 0.2, 0.1, and then I'll duplicate this glow. Actually this should be bigger, like 200, and then I'll duplicate this, copy and paste, and I'll make the sparks. So just need to make this velocity aligned and spawn like 10 particles, then shape, location, sphere, I'll take the 2, then velocity from point, I'll make this 200, and then the particle size, non-uniform random, 1 2 4 6 I think, and this should be very bright. Size is very, yeah, and velocity I'll randomize it, 200 and 500. Let's see all together. Even more, 1000, and I'll increase is 20. Yeah, fine. Now it is impactful, but still I guess it has missing something. So I'll duplicate this again, these sparks, and if I isolate, see how it's playing. So in this one I'll make size 15, 10, 50 and 100, and then velocity I'll make just 1 2 5 or maybe 10, 15, 20. Yeah, and I want these two. The pivot I want to edit, so it's making that spikes, and even more I think the size I can stretch even more. Yeah, not this much, and also it can be more bright. And these one I don't want to make these very fast, so I'll make the life zero point 0.5, uh, 0.3, and then velocity maybe 100, 100 and 300. Yeah, one thing, that black part is cutting with the ground because it doesn't have the depth fade. So that black part is here. So I'll open this radial and depth fade. So I have saved it. It has some mistakes. I'll fix that. So here, if I check it per frame, this layer, this one, which has that, not this one, yeah, this one. This should be even bigger. So I will randomize it and maybe 700, 400. Yeah, now it's better. And one more thing, this is black ring, this is yellow ring. So I want black ring. I want this yellow ring down. Yeah, cool. So just finish this and visual volumetric, sorry, post process. And you can do one thing, and that is in Flash you can add light in your bright part, and in your trail um, you can again add light in this one. So let's say I don't know how much, but yeah, you can see the light, but not that flash. Yeah, so in flash, in light, I'll make it 5, and I'll put the color here. Yeah, I'll make this 1000. Still it is red. I want to make this yellowish. Yeah, better, but I'll decrease it to half, 5000, 2000. Yeah, better. Still I can decrease 2000 and 1000. Better. So I have finished this tutorial. This is my final output. So that's it. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, just comment below, and thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.